That's what I asked before.
Oh, sorry. I'm not going to do it over again. So I hope it's okay. I've got my wax in. I'm waiting for it. This is the wax beans that you put into your wax pot. And now, while we're waiting for this, I'm going to give you ladies and men some extra training.
Are you serious?
You got this. You got this kamikis. I don't know what do you ladies call this stuff? This is now when you want to remove
It's
some
a
of your
special
hair, your
razor,
shadows.
isn't
Now,
it?
I can't do it now because I haven't got my glasses on. Then I'm going to maybe rub all my hairs off my eyebrows. But and then you've got this kamiki here. It's also a blade where you can actually cut some of his hairs here and here on this side here and that. You guys can see I've done it already. And sometimes you just want to clean up these extra ears here. I somewhat do it, but and even here, if you don't want to use your razor, maar you can net so maak and you clean it up. It's actually quite nice. That is what the Rasbansis is doing when they're doing our stuff. And then they also use the threading, of the wires, the garingdraad, and then they thread on your eyebrows like that. It looks very nice. That's why some of these ladies goes for a manicure and a pedicure and I don't know what cures. So I gotta wait because if your wax is not dry enough and you pull it out, then you pull out the cotton button and your wax doesn't stay, then your wax stays behind, and then you got a problem pulling this out. So is there any men on this group that's been using this type of thing?
Oh no. Remember, if you wait too long, you're going to struggle. You know?
Yeah. Now the test is if you start feeling the wax and it comes off here, you can just touch it. And if you touch it and it actually comes away from your skin, then you know it's dry enough. And if it's not, then you just let it keep it. Now, what happened to me on my previous call, I was actually, my wife did this and she took some photos, and this nosebud came down like this, and my wax was too hot. And when I pulled it out, I pulled some of my snore hair as well. And yeah, that was fucking. All right. So, yeah, I can feel the wax is now quite hard. People, it does come quite hard. Uh, oh, fuck. Why do I do this stuff? You can actually taste it. There's some waxes on my skin and then it just pulls it off. So I did my ears already. Now, if you do your ears, you get like a ice cream stock here. I've got this little key. One of my grandkids' keys are actually the okay, and you take it and you rub it all around here. Just like that on the inside as well. But here on your ears, you take two cotton buttons. Two cotton buttons. You put the wax in and you put it in like this. It's like a standby. So when you pull out for your ears, now on your ears, now I know why the Rasbansis is doing it when they're doing your ears after they cut your hair. Because what happened to me as well, you guys can see my hairs was actually on here, and when I rub it, it came onto my ears as well. And when I pulled this off here, right, some of my ears, and my hair was full of wax, but you can just wash it off. All right. So now here comes the part. Okay, it is dry. I'm making sure it is not on my snore. So I'm just touching it a little bit. Okay, here I go. 1, 2,
Oh,
3.
shit. I won't do that.
Why did you? We couldn't see the record. We couldn't see it because your face is there.
Yes. Oh. All right.
Seker loop hy trane. Seker loop hy trane.
But he's there.
You must hear my parrot. He's listening to you.
All right. So I just want to stop this recording now because my ears. But yeah. So this is why God created women, to handle all the pain. Because we as men, that's why we don't give birth and we don't do this usually, because we can't handle pain, and this is proof of it.
You know, there's a cream called hair removal. That's awesome.
Yeah, but you can't put that hair removal onto your nose. And that's the other thing, and it burns like hell. I tried it on my snort. If you put that hair removal here on your lips is actually getting, ek kry roofies op, man. Nee.
Yeah, but there's special ones for your face. You must have bought the wrong one.
But this is not so sore. The first time. Now look, I've done it now for the past year. Now I actually went to the specialist, the ear specialist, and I asked him if this is dangerous. He says, no, it's well, you can do it, but as soon as you start doing it, your hair grows faster. And I used to do it once every 3 months. Now I've got to do it once every month. But at least my nose is clean. I don't snore so much anymore. And when I'm sleeping, so there is some positive points on this. All right.
So you can do your whole beard like that.
No fucking ways.